Guys, what's up? It's me and my brother doing a burping challenge part 6. You know what I mean? We stopped at part 5 for a long time, but it's time to go back on track, you know what I mean? So once I do this one, you burp. 3, 2, 1, this one. But make sure it's oily, bro. We need but you know, bro, you know why you got so much views on part 1 on the toilet one when you put your school t-shirt on? Because that one was oily and huge. That one was oily one.
I can't anymore. I don't know what the fuck.
Bro, just do it. But man, do you want me to restart?
Let's go.
I mean, let's just restart. Yeah, do you want to restart? Oh, he got. Okay, guys, my brother got the big ones now coming in. Say, let me do it on Twitter. Let me do it on. No, I'm doing like the funny thing, so you got burp with funny face.
Get that fuck away. Show you how it looks like.
But it looks funny, but I can't just get you hurt actually after this. Alright, do like. Man, come on, this is a burping video, bro. Bro, make sure it's oily. Bro, you don't got the big oily ones. But you don't have those oily ones anymore. Wait, did that face get like the rock eyebrows? Yeah, that actually looks funny. I'm gonna put them back on normal. I mean, it's normal. Cause they're oily ones. So should I just restart again, Mera? Oh, that was an oily one.
Oily men, my man.
That was really oily, so yeah. Man, just burp it to like 3 minutes.
So what is it now? Just show me.
Yeah, it's like 2:27. I just gonna burp. I don't know. I just want me to end it now or no?
I'm the walk Upper Johnson.
Well, I mean, guys, this is but just burp, because the video is all about burping. Because if we do funny face and not burp, they're gonna think it's clickbait. So let's just do burping now. Let's just do burping. Oh, that was the oily one.
But we are burping up.
Hey guys,
And doing upper faces to the retard. So we are doing both. So upper name, upper this, upper legend. I got a video of both.
yo,
Hold up.
the only one can record me do like a 1 minute one.
But come here, but come back, bro.
Alright.
That's why you just do it.
Alright. But I don't have any.
Boba came.
Oh.
It's okay, but continue.
I got so our dad came, but I'm gonna do some more.
Upper bonus burp.
Oh, that's an oily one.
Upper double. Upper, you know what I'm saying, man? What the fuck, man?
Don't say anything.
Wait.
Ones. Yeah. I want to end the video now.
Okay, upper guys, solid chip. Upper subscribe.
Oh, that's oily one, bro.
Upper subscribe and like.
Wait, guys, come on, Jamal. Oily. oily. Oh, alright guys.
Oiliest one.
Should we do sturdy one? Should we like sturdy one?
I
Sturdy beer like this one? Or I just want to do. Oh, guys, we're gonna do part 7.
Upper part, upper 7, upper next time. Okay, guys.
So guys, when?
Go subscribe
So
and
when
like.
part 7? When part 7?
I don't know. So guys,
Oh, I'm gonna go oily one.
oily one.
What?
Can't believe it.
Alright, so let's end it now, man. Let's end it now.
So subscribe and like and plus here's the cards. Peanuts upper groovy guy. Even at the start of it. Wait.
Yeah.
So guys, it was all our plans. Okay,
I'm like up, guys. Well, why am I keep feeling, bro?
fuck man. Gonna play soccer.
Like that was small, but I felt like it was a big one, bro. But no, why do I feel like there's a big one coming?
I don't know.
Wait, this is the big one.
My god, bro, that's got for the oily. Like, god damn. So now,
Yeah.
sorry for saying subscribe and like so much. But now, so subscribe and like and peace out.
Yeah, guys.
Bye bye. Goodbye.